All right, guys. Hello. I'm hoping you're good once again. So now I'll be showing you how to add a macro on your VBA. So come here to your tools. When you go to your tools, you're going to see options. One of them is references, macros, and options. So go to macros, and then on your macros you're going to have a name. So this I'm going to name it my first macro, and then you come and create it. So once you create it, it's going to write something like this, like a sub my first macro. So that's how you create a macro, and then that's it. Thanks.